Today we are going to learn the how to perform the composite of bands and clipping of an imagery. So the imagery we have downloaded from the USGS Earth Explorer we will add on in the ArcMap. You have to add all the bands from 1 to 8, and as we see the imagery is loaded now. These are the individual bands. We have to utilize the composite of band toolbar so that it allows you to combine rasters to form a multi-band image. Type composite . In the toolbar you have to add on the all bands one by one. Run the command . As you see, the all bands are combined together to form and to create one imagery. So other bands are not required now. You can delete them one by one. After creating one raster file, you can perform the analysis. Now next we are going to perform the clipping of an imagery. So first of all you had to add the shapefile from your dataset which you have created earlier. And if the coordinates are same with the imagery, they will automatically lie on the area for which you want to clip it. There are two procedures to clip the area. First of all, you can choose the clip area, load the input raster, and then output extend as the shapefile area. Like I am going to clip up the town of Lahore. Clipped area has been generated, but it is still in the square form. We need that area should be matched with the output extent of the shapefile. Exactly match with the shapefile of the boundary of Lahore. So from Windows, we need to select the image analysis and select the imagery. And there is a tool named as click will be appear. You have to choose it First of all, you click on the shapefile. It will be highlighted as blue boundary or something like red. Clip the area. Now the raster imagery exactly match with the boundary of the Lahore.